You, Moses, traitor!
No, for the last time, I will not let your people go.
So, God has turned the river Nile into blood, brought a plague of frogs, gnats and flies. He brought disease on your livestock. Your people got boils over their bodies. He brought thunder and hail, locusts and then complete darkness, and still you will not let my people go. I tell you, Pharaoh, God will bring one final plague on you and your people. Elders of Israel, listen. The Lord says this is the night Pharaoh will let you go. Paint your door frames with lamb's blood, and do not leave your houses. Cook up a lamb's dinner with unleavened bread, and have your coats on and bags packed. The Lord will pass over the houses covered with lamb's blood, but will strike down the firstborn child in the houses of the Egyptians. When he sees the blood on your door frames, he will not strike you down. When you come into the promised land, you will remember this event every year. It will be called the Passover.